In this video, we are going to show you how to use Poppy AI for essay writing. Now, if you want to knock down your essays or homeworks, very, very easy using Poppy AI. This is actually much more fun than just going to ChatGPT or Grok. So here you want to organize your stuff. So I created two simple groups, so online articles and then YouTube videos, right? So just dump everything, every relevant article online, right? Copy paste, same with YouTube videos. If you have relevant YouTube videos for your topic, for example, for this one, we have World War II as our topic, and then connect it to a AI chat by Poppy, and just make your prompt either as simple or as specific or customized as you want. So for this is very specific and simple at the same time. I want you to use the contents of both groups attached to write a 3-paragraph essay using the APA format. So once I press enter, like so, it's going to use the APA format to create the essay, right? So it's more scholarly. There you go. It's going to use both sources. There you go. That is one paragraph. That is the second paragraph. And as you can see, it is citing a lot, which is the APA format. And number 3, last article, it is citing stuff, right? There you go. All right, we are now done, and we have the references at the same time, right? So if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. That's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.